Hi, this is Donovan, President of the Association. On behalf of the executive and members of the Jamaican Canadian Association Alberta, I want to wish you the warmest of season's greetings. I hope that during the holidays you find some time to relax, rewind in some cases, and enjoy time with family and friends. All the blessings to you going into 2018. Of course, the association will continue its mission of contributing positively to the community. So there are lots of great plans going into 2018. We hope to see you at our meetings, at our events, and in our programs as we continue to contribute positively to the Calgary and extended community. We look forward to seeing you in those programs in 2018. Before 2018, of course, there's our New Year's Eve Gala. So if you haven't had tickets yet, there's still a few days. You can get your tickets from our members or online. And we look forward to having you join us as we have a lot of fun and ring in 2018 with a bang. Once again, on behalf of all of us at the Jamaican Canadian Association Alberta, warm season's greetings and enough blessings for 2018. Take care.